Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bring your designs to life by adding simple, eye-catching animations using Canva. Whether you're spicing up your Instagram posts, jazzing up a presentation, or just looking to make your visuals stand out, this quick tutorial is going to give you the skills you need. By the end, you'll know how to create an animated design that grabs attention without any design experience required. Let's jump right in and get started. First thing, go ahead and open up Canva. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up in just a minute. It's totally free to get started, so don't let that hold you back. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage, which is kind of like your creative dashboard. From here, you can access all of your past projects, but for this tutorial, we're going to create something brand new so you can see the animation process from scratch. Now let's create a design. Look for the big purple button in the top right corner that says Create a Design. Give that a click. Canva will ask you to pick the kind of project you want to work on. Maybe you want an Instagram post, a poster, or even a presentation slide. The great thing is Canva gives you all the right dimensions automatically. Let's say we're going with an Instagram post just as an example. Select that and Canva will open up a blank canvas for you. The next step is to select a template. Now this is where Canva really shines, especially if you're not sure where to start. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a whole library of professionally designed templates for your chosen format. Scroll through and pick one that catches your eye, something that matches the vibe or purpose of your project. Remember, you can always customize these templates later, so don't stress too much about making the perfect choice right now. Just find something you like and click on it. Canva will automatically apply it to your design space. With your template in place, now comes the fun part, animation. If you look up at the top left area of the editing screen, you'll see a button labeled Animate. Go ahead and click that. It might take a second for all the options to load, so give it a moment. Once it's up, you'll see a panel with different animation styles. There are simple options like fade, rise, and pan, as well as some more dynamic effects you can experiment with. Don't be afraid to try out several. Just click one and instantly see a preview of what your design will look like in motion. If you're just starting out, I recommend trying a simple animation first. For example, fade makes your text and elements gently appear, which looks clean and professional, perfect for most projects. You might even compare this step to choosing a filter in Instagram. It's all about setting the right mood for your visual. And honestly, that's it. Once you've picked your favorite animation and you're happy with how it looks, your design is ready to impress. You can download it as a video or GIF and use it anywhere you like. Don't worry if you want to change things around. Canva makes it super easy to play with the animation effects until you get just the look you want. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Canva tips. Make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching and have fun animating your next project.